everyone, welcome back to the Global Channel, and I hope you all are doing well. So today we are starting with the topic clouds. So in my previous videos, in my previous lectures, I have told you that how clouds are formed. So today we will learn that on the basis of what we can classify clouds. So on the basis of three things we classify clouds. So the three things are: one is on the basis of the extent, one is first on the basis of height, another is on the basis of the extent, and then we have on the basis of capacity of the rain. Okay, so on the basis of height, we have further classified the clouds into three parts. That is, the first category is cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are the clouds which formed above the height of 8,000 meters. The second category is alto clouds, and these clouds are formed between the height of between 2,000 meters to 8,000 meters. And at the last we have stratus clouds, and these clouds are formed below the height of 2,000 meters. So on the basis of their height, we have given the names, and the names are cirrus clouds, which are formed above the height of 8,000 meters. Then we have alto clouds जो 2,000 से 8,000 की height के बीच में form होते हैं, and next we have stratus clouds which are formed below the height of the 2,000 meters. Now they are also known as, for example, cirrus cloud is also known as high clouds. These are high clouds. Then alto clouds are known as middle clouds. I have to write it in bigger. Middle clouds. And stratus clouds are known as lower clouds. Okay, coming to the extent, so we have vertical extent and we have horizontal extent. So first we have vertical extent. First we have horizontal extent. Horizontal extent, and second we have vertical extent. Vertical extent. So on the basis of horizontally extended and vertically extended, we have further divided the clouds. Horizontally extended means कि clouds ऐसे कितना spread हुआ है. Horizontally कितना spread है. Vertically means ऐसे कितना spread है. ऊपर के side. So ऊपर के side जो clouds extended होते हैं, these clouds are known as cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds, and जो ऐसे flat तरीके से extend हुए होते हैं, these are known as stratus clouds. And these are known as cumulus clouds. Okay. Now we have capacity of rain. It means कि कितनी capacity है cloud में कि वो 100% rain करेगा. So we have only one in this, and these are known as nimbus clouds. Nimbus clouds means that they are rain bearing clouds. Nimbus clouds means they are rain bearing clouds मीन्स कि यहाँ पे 100% रेन होएगी ही होएगी. देयर इज नो चांस कि रेन नहीं होगी. सो दीज आर रेन बियरिंग क्लाउड्स. नाउ फर्दर वी हैव द क्लाउड्स known as high clouds. So let's see. Up we have further high clouds. High clouds means cirrus clouds. So let's see. First we have cirrus, stratus या strato clouds. Cirrus stratus cloud का मतलब क्या है? I have told you cirrus वो होते हैं जो at a height of 8,000 meters के ऊपर formation होती है, and stratus means कि जो हमारे horizontal clouds हैं. अब इसका मतलब क्या है कि these are high horizontal clouds. High horizontal clouds. Next we have cirrus cumulus clouds. Okay. So what is in this? Cirrus cumulus का मतलब क्या होता है? Again, cirrus means जो 8,000 की height से above उधर फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, and cumulus means those are vertical clouds. Means these are known as high vertical clouds. So these are high vertical clouds. Another is cirrus clouds. So another we have cirrus clouds. तो cirrus clouds का मतलब क्या होता है? These are high clouds. So these are high clouds. Okay. Next we have middle clouds. So I think this is clear to you. High clouds कौन से होते हैं? जो 8,000 की हाइट पे फॉर्म होते हैं या above 8,000 meters की हाइट पे फॉर्म होते हैं. So इसमें we have cirrus stratus clouds means high horizontal clouds. Next we have cirrus cumulus clouds जो है हमारे पास high vertical clouds जो ऊपर की तरफ है extended. Next we have cirrus clouds means those were higher clouds जो ऊपर है, बहुत upper atmosphere में है. Now we have middle clouds. Middle का means alto. So we have middle clouds. Middle clouds. Okay. So first we have alto stratus clouds. So what is the meaning of alto stratus clouds? Alto stratus clouds मतलब alto clouds वो which are known as middle clouds मतलब जो 2,000 से 8,000 मीटर की हाइट पे है, एंड स्ट्रेटस क्लाउड्स मतलब जो हॉरिजॉन्टल है. सो वी कैन से दीज आर मिडल हॉरिजॉन्टल क्लाउड्स. मिडल हॉरिजॉन्टल क्लाउड्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट वी हैव alto cumulus clouds. These are middle vertical clouds. मतलब जो बिटवीन 2,000 से 8,000 मीटर्स की हाइट के बीच में फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, बट वो वर्टिकल है. यहां पे हॉरिजॉन्टल है एंड यहां पे वी हैव वर्टिकल. द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट इज we have dark large rain clouds. So these clouds are named as cumulonimbus clouds. These are very dark clouds, very big clouds. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा बारिश करते हैं. So 100% यहाँ पे बारिश होती है. Nimbus, I have told you, nimbus clouds which are the rain bearing clouds. जहां पे भी हमें nimbus मिलेगा, it means they are rain bearing clouds. कि यहाँ पे rain होएगी ही होएगी. There is no chance कि यहाँ पे rain ना हो. So you would definitely find rain over here. So this is the topic which we have completed, that is the classification of clouds. So on the basis of height, on the basis of extent, and on the basis of capacity of rain, we have divided, and we have subdivided them on the basis of middle clouds and on the basis of higher clouds. And next on the basis of the rain or rain bearing clouds. So this is all for today. So till the time, stay tuned for the next video. Till the time, stay happy and stay blessed. Thank you very much.